Click on the Task View button and click New Desktop. The keyboard shortcuts Windows key plus Ctrl plus D creates new virtual desktop. To switch between virtual desktops, click on the Task View button. Click on the Task View button and close on the desktop you want. And click on the desktop you want to switch to. The keyboard shortcuts Windows key plus Tab. The keyboard shortcuts Windows key plus Ctrl plus F4 closes current virtual desktop. To switch between virtual desktops, click on the Task View button. The keyboard shortcuts press Windows key plus Ctrl plus left arrow or Windows key plus Ctrl plus right arrow to switch between on the desktop you want.